Good afternoon, students. Welcome back once again to the mathematics class. So, in today's lecture, we are going to study arithmetic mean, right? Arithmetic mean. In short, we can say AM, right? Arithmetic mean. Already we know what is arithmetic progression. So, now here, arithmetic mean. Mean means we divide it usually by 2 to find mean of any two values. Then adding those values and dividing it by 2, then we get mean value. Here arithmetic mean is there. Let's see what is arithmetic mean. It's given two numbers a and b, comma, we can insert a, capital A, between them so that a, what we have inserted, that is capital A comma B, is an AP, right? The number A is called here, the number A is called arithmetic mean. A is called what here? Arithmetic mean of a number of the number A and B, right? So since A comma capital A comma B are in AP, then we have, usually how we write, a term minus previous term, which is equals to next term minus previous term, right? So what it implies? It implies A equals to A plus B upon 2, right? A plus B upon 2. If you take capital A to the RHS, it becomes 2A, minus A to the LHS, it becomes A plus B. So 2A upon A, 2A, which is equals to A plus B, is there. If you take 2 on RHS, it becomes A plus B upon 2, right? Therefore the value of A is here A plus B upon 2, right? So now in general, you know what is arithmetic mean? That is A equals to, just we are inserting a number between given two numbers, that is A and B are the two numbers we have. In that we are inserting a third number, that is A, and it is in the form of arithmetic progression. Then we can write it in the arithmetic progression form. Then we get finally A equals to A plus B upon 2. So in general given any two numbers, in general given any two numbers, that is small a and small b, we can we can insert a finite numbers. We can insert a finite numbers such that a resulting sequence, the resulting sequence is an AP, right? Resulting sequence is an AP. In general, you can take any two numbers and we can insert a finite numbers in between them such that the resulting sequence is what we get, that is an arithmetic progression. That is if A comma A1 comma A2 so on up to AN comma B are in AP, right? Then A1 comma A2 comma A3 so on up to AN are the arithmetic mean, are the arithmetic mean between A and B. Got it now? In general, if you insert any finite numbers in between any two numbers, then the in between values between A and B is nothing but our arithmetic mean values, right? So suppose if we have to insert, next line, suppose we have to insert n numbers in general, n numbers, say a1 a2 dash 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 up to an between a and b. Just we have to insert capital A1 A2 so on up to an in between a and b, then see what we get. Then small a comma a1 a2 a3 so on up to an comma b is an AP. Is an AP in general we are considering here is an AP with n plus 2 elements, with n plus 2 elements. Let D, capital D, be the common difference of this AP. Already you know AP is a common difference here. So B equals to what we get here? A plus of n plus 2 minus 1 into D, right? So which is equals to B, which is equals to A plus of n minus 1 here, plus 2 minus 1 is again what we get here, A plus of n plus 1 into D. So which implies A take to the LHS, it becomes B minus A, which is equals to n plus 1 into D, right? So now D equals to what we get here, the value of D is equals to B minus A upon n plus 1 is nothing but our difference formula. By substituting the values in this equation, we get the common difference, right? So thus the n arithmetic means between A and B are given by A1, which is equals to A plus D, which is equals to A as it is. Value of D is B minus A upon n plus 1. A2, which is equals to A plus of 2D, A plus of 2 as it is, B minus A upon n plus 1. Again a3 equals to a plus of 3d. It is a plus of 3 as it is, b minus a upon n plus 1, right? So on if you go on writing the values up to n times, so dash 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 an, which is equals to a plus of n into d, right? So a plus of n into b minus a upon n plus 1, right? So it is the nth term, right? A plus of n into b minus a n plus 1. When we add n terms in between a and b, that is in between values, or what? Arithmetic mean, right? So next we will see the examples. That is first example. Example 1. Insert 4 arithmetic mean. 4 arithmetic means between 15 and 30. So solution, let's see. Here a equals to what? A equals to 15, comma b equals to 30, and n equals to 4 here, right? The value of a is 15, value of b is 30, and value of n is 4 arithmetic means, right? In between 15 and 30 there are 4 arithmetic means are there, so we have to add those. What are those we don't know now. So what is difference also we don't know. First we have to find the difference between any two terms, that is common difference. Then we can find the 4 insertion numbers in between 15 and 30, right? Next, the common difference of a given AP. The common difference of given AP is common difference of given AP is D, which is equals to B minus A upon n plus 1 of n plus 1. So which implies value of D equals to B is 30, A is 15 upon n plus 1, n is 4 plus of 1. So which is equals to 15 by 5, which is equals to 3. Therefore the common difference is here 3 only, right? So thus the required AP is 15, 18. The difference must be 3 in between two terms, right? 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, and finally 30, right? Thus the arithmetic means are thus the arithmetic means are what? 18, 21, 24, 27, hence which is the solution of a given question, right? So next one more example you will see, that is example 2. Second example, example 2. Example 2. Insert 6 numbers insert 6 numbers between 3 and 24 such that the sequence is an AP. Resulting sequence is an AP, right? So the solution, let A equals to, again here, let A equals to 3 and B equals to 24 and value of n is 6. The common difference, the difference of the given AP is D, that is B minus A upon n plus 1, right? So here value of D, which is equals to 24 minus of 3. Value of B is 24 minus of value of A is 3. So n value is 6 plus 1, which is equals to D equals to what we get here. Value of D is 21 upon 7. So final value of D is what? Which is equals to value of D is 3. 7 3 is 21, right? So thus the required AP are 3 6. The common difference is here what? 3 is a common difference, right? So 3 6 9 12 15 18 21 and finally 24. So how to insert any number in between any two numbers, up to finite or n terms we can add in between any two numbers. To find its arithmetic progression, it is easy to find the arithmetic progression. We have to use the arithmetic mean. By using arithmetic mean, we can find its common difference first. Later on, we can find its arithmetic difference, arithmetic progression also, right? So this much is in this lecture series. In the next lecture, we have to see some more examples based on arithmetic progression, arithmetic mean, and geometric progressions also, right? So till then, take care, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.